Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Storage is of prime importance in any house, more so in a small one, and a sliding door wardrobe is an ultimate solution that helps to provide storage space without cluttering up the room. Whether you want to give your room a makeover or are designing a new home, sliding door wardrobe are a functional and aesthetically appealing options. These doors are fixed in channels at top or bottom of a closet frame and move horizontally along the track. Wardrobes with sliding doors are decor choices which can add tremendous value in terms of function and style. Since such doors slide on channels, they don't need any space to open out like swinging doors, making them an ideal storage solution for small bedrooms and rooms or hallways with limited space. Moreover, with the range of material, finishes, and patterns that sliding doors are available in or can be designed in, the aesthetic features of the furniture are practically limitless. Watch this video on sliding door wardrobe design ideas in 2020 to make the right choice for your furniture. Who knows where the decision will lead you to? Glass sliding door wardrobes have much to boast about in the world of decor. Their clean and classic finish whispers elegance and instantly adds understated chic, the way it does in the dressing area of a bedroom. Note how the interiors of the wardrobe are organized for practicality and style as the contents are on display. Glass has the added advantage of magically expanding a space, making it look more open and bigger. If you like the cool chic that glass brings but don't want to put that content of yours, perhaps messy wardrobe on show for the world to see, explore the wonder of frosted glass, a storage solution for a cramped space and an additional modern touch. Both are achieved by frosted glass sliding doors. The wardrobe fit into the limited space between your bed and wall. Also, frosted glass pair well with the exposed brick, resulting in a modern look. Magicians have been using smoke and mirrors for centuries to cast their spell and spin their web of illusion. You can do the same using mirror for your sliding door wardrobe designs for the bedroom. Mirrors reflect the room, making it seemingly look much bigger than it is. They also add oodles of glamour. A Murphy bed with a sofa accessory is integrated into the wardrobe and the entire room is done up with grey. Friends, hope you liked this video on modern sliding door wardrobes. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest for more design ideas. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care, and you can watch the video that is suggested to you.